Once upon a time, there was a boy named Charlie who lived in a small town. Charlie had a big dream to own a chocolate factory. One day, he received a golden ticket to visit the famous chocolate factory owned by the eccentric Mr. Willy Wonka. When Charlie entered the factory, he was amazed by the magical world of chocolate. He saw a chocolate river, marshmallow pillows, and candy trees. Mr. Wonka explained that he needed someone kind-hearted to take over the factory. Charlie proved his kindness when he resisted the temptation to steal an everlasting gobstopper. Impressed, Mr. Wonka declared Charlie the new owner of the factory. Charlie's dream had come true. He used his new position to bring joy to children around the world with his delicious and imaginative chocolate creations. From chocolate waterfalls to candy-filled rooms, Charlie's factory became a place of wonder and happiness. With his friends and family by his side, Charlie's chocolate factory became a symbol of dreams coming true and the power of kindness. And they all lived happily ever after, surrounded by the sweet aroma of chocolate and endless smiles.